Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica and today's video is going to be on this chocolatey brown fall makeup. This video is also made in partnership with one of my favorite skincare brands, Goodall, so if you want to get ready together, then just keep watching. First, let's start with skin prep. So I'm using the Goodall Green Tangerine Vitamin C Dark Spot Serum. This is actually the first vitamin C product I've integrated into my skincare routine. So I know vitamin C is a staple in a lot of people's skincare routines because it's really great for evening out your skin tone and brightening it. But the reason why I couldn't use it in the past is I have really sensitive skin, and every time I used vitamin C products before, my skin would always get super irritated and get this burning, stinging sensation. But I saw the Goodall Vitamin C line had a lot of really good reviews, so I decided to try it, and it's literally the only vitamin C line that has not left that burning, stinging feeling on my skin. I'm also gonna apply it to my neck, but I found out the reason why this doesn't irritate my skin is because it's infused with skin-soothing ingredients and uses a pure, stable form of vitamin C, their green tangerine extract, which doesn't oxidize or sensitize skin, making it safe to use daily on all skin types. Vitamin C is especially important during fall months since it helps repair sun damage from the summertime, and it slows down melanin production to fade and prevent dark spots, as well as brighten hyperpigmentation from the inner layers of your skin. It also gives you that glass skin glow. I actually gave my mom one of these and she liked it so much she made me buy her the cream, which is just as good. This is the Green Tangerine Vitamin C Dark Spot Care Cream. This is also safe to use daily in the morning and at night. Goodall's Vitamin C line also boosts your daily SPF sun protection power by up to 4 times. If you're looking for a gentle, calming vitamin C line, make sure to shop Goodall at up to 40% off on Amazon from October 10th to October 11th. I will leave a link in my description box, so make sure to click it. Next, let's do foundation. I don't know if I want to do a dewy base today or a matte base. You know, aside from the zit that I got because of my period, my skin is looking really good lately. I've been investing a lot more in my skincare this year, and I feel like it's finally paying off because I finally understand my skin more and what it needs. When I was younger, I kept my skin routine more simple, but now that I'm getting older, I feel like it does help to integrate more products, like especially serums. You guys know I've been really into them this year. There's so many different things that you can target using serums, like for example, the vitamin C for brightening. There's also retinol serums. In my teen years, it didn't make as much of a difference. I think definitely in your 20s is when you should start preventative care, you know? Do you guys ever think about how much you've changed since you were a teen? I was just thinking about it recently when I was talking to my sisters, and I used to have really bad social anxiety when I was in high school. I'm gonna use a cushion blush from M Cosmetics. This is their new Pillow Plush blush in the shade Peanut. It's really interesting because this is one of those types of blushes where you can press down and it indents it. So you just pat it in and then you push down on your face. Don't swipe. Nowadays, this term social anxiety kind of gets thrown around a lot, so people don't really know what it actually is. But social anxiety isn't just feeling shy on a certain day. It actually has physical symptoms that you can feel. Starting in middle school, every time I had to speak to someone I didn't know very well, or in a group of more than 2 to 3 people, when I started talking, my heart would start racing and my throat would close up and my hands would get clammy. I'd get super sweaty, my back would be dripping with sweat and my face would get super red and hot. It was even my little sister, she's really smart. Even though she's 2 grades below me, she was in the same class as me in high school. She was the one who told me that I would get super red whenever the teacher called on me, or even if I raised my hand, willingly. If I raised my hand and I want to answer the question, as soon as I started talking, my face would get really red. And I didn't know that my face was actually getting red because, I didn't have a mirror on me. But I just knew that my face would feel hot. I didn't know that people could see it, that how nervous I was. But I did take a sort of speech class, and I felt like that kind of helped. But even then, it was only in that speech class, once I got to know the people in that class, that I could really speak comfortably and do presentations. But if it was a presentation outside of that speech class, it was not good. I'm gonna use a cream bronzer next. But yeah, since then, I feel like my social anxiety has gotten a lot better. I wouldn't say my social anxiety has gone away completely because it definitely shows up sometimes. Even sometimes when you guys recognize me in public, that still happens where my heart will start racing. But I feel like it doesn't show itself that way because I might look confident on the outside. So sometimes I guess I might just look more aloof. I'm trying to build up this cream bronzer. Because like every single time it would happen where I was like a really awkward social interaction where I was just not speaking, like avoiding eye contact, which is another thing. Like whenever somebody would make direct eye contact with me in the past, I would start getting really red. And it's not like that feeling where you have a crush on somebody where you're just like, oh my god, like they looked at me. No, it happened with every single person. My older sister actually said that she had a milder version of what I had. Like sometimes her heart would race, but she wouldn't get red and she wouldn't get super sweaty and her throat wouldn't close up, which for me was the most embarrassing part because then you can hear yourself choking while you're speaking. My little sister said she didn't experience any of those symptoms. But yeah, it was just an interesting conversation I had with my sisters. I'm gonna use this alley-oop pen next. I got this in PR and it's so cool. It has different colors that you can press down. I think I want to do a more blunt eyeliner shape today. I've been wanting to try this ever since I got back from Japan. I saw this girl on the subway and she had this liner and I thought it was so cute because it's like, you usually don't see like this rounded eyeliner in America, but it looks very cute and cartoony. And then connect it to the lower lash line. And then on the lower lashes today, I want it to dip in the center so it looks like fill in only the inner corner here and then slightly angle it down. I'm also gonna apply eyelid tape. So I cut it in half and then now on the lower eyelid, I'm gonna start drawing the egg style and we're gonna continue following that dip. Blend it out. That other liner is too creamy, so I'm gonna use my gel Presso. Next, I'm going to take a warm tone brown eyeshadow. I'm going to set that. Let's do mascara and lashes. This is a new launch, I think. It's from Clio, the Sharp So Simple Mascara. If you have really thin, sparse lashes, you'll really like this because it has a tiny wand. So it's really easy to get to the root of the lashes and in between them. Don't forget the lower lashes. And then I'm not gonna pinch the upper lashes together today because we're applying falsies over it anyway. Apply these ones. These are my current favorite Dolly ones. So the reason why I apply mascara and curl my lashes, even though I'm applying falsies under the lash line anyway, is when you apply mascara, it dries your lashes down and it holds the curl up so these lashes won't sag or slip off your eyes. Okay, next we're really gonna focus on the ISL. And then this line down here should be the lowest, so it looks like eyes drooping down in the center. And then take a concealer pencil and highlight this area, pull it up over here, pull it up on here, and now you can see it actually creates that drooping shape. I'm gonna apply a little bit more cream bronzer. I'm gonna powder everything. Next, let's do lips. I'm gonna use the Alley-oop 11th Hour eyeshadow and liner stick. This is a cream eyeshadow stick, but I've been using it for my lip contour and I really like it. I forgot to highlight the tip of the nose. Oh, there was a glitter I wanted to use. I've been wanting to use this ever since I got it, but I haven't had the chance to. This is the Stila Heaven's Dew All Over Glimmer in Lake Havasu. You wouldn't expect it, but it's super glittery. Let me show you. Can't really see it in this lighting, but super glittery. And then for the lip color, I'm first using Kaleido's Cloud Lab Lip Clay in Pink Himalayan. Wait, let's try the bronzer. Wow, this works really well on the lips. And finally, let's add some beauty marks using the Stila Matte Stay All Day liquid liner. And this is the completed look. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Remember to check out the Prime Early Access sale at the link in my description box if you want to get the good old products I used today. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!